what's coming next at Google, a leader in this new world. CEO Sundar Pichai told us AI will be as good or as evil as human nature allows. The revolution.
Let's look at AI, because specifically the risk that could lead to the extinction of humans.
ChatGPT exposed. Can this AI really help you sell your home without an agent? The shocking truth.
Why not?
The shocking truth. Why not let ChatGPT sell your home? Just don't be surprised if your house ends up on a cloud as an NFT instead of the market. Hey folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the bizarre world of AI and real estate. I mean, can you really sell your home without an agent with just an AI program? Stick around to find out. So there's this AI program called ChatGPT, and it's claiming to help people sell their homes without using an agent.
Really? That sounds pretty good.
But can we trust a machine to do what real estate agents have been doing for years?
Please return to your home.
ChatGPT is an AI tool designed to simulate human-like conversations and help homeowners through the process of selling their property.
Can a robot write a symphony? Can a robot turn a canvas into a beautiful masterpiece? Can you?
It can offer insights into property prices and market trends.
We can build houses, we can win games.
That is what I want to hear.
But let's look at some cold, hard facts. According to the National Association of Realtors, only 8% of home sales are done by owners, while a whopping 92% are sold with the help of a real estate agent. Real estate agents have years of experience, a vast network of contacts, and the ability to analyze the market to help you sell your home. So, can AI really help you sell your home without an agent? The shocking truth. Spoiler alert, it's about as shocking as finding out your goldfish can't do your taxes. Now let's talk about equity and transparency. Real estate brokers like yours truly play a significant role in ensuring these. We're bound by a code of ethics and standards of practice which promotes fair treatment and honesty in all transactions. It's like being a superhero, but instead of a cape, we have a briefcase. Now this ChatGPT thingy can tell you about market trends. The real estate market is constantly evolving and brokers are well versed in these changes. But can ChatGPT tell you that Jenny Smith, who just got hitched down the block, is looking to buy a house in your price range? I think not. Sure, ChatGPT can spit out market stats and trends, but what about professional guidance? Real estate brokers provide that. We understand the complexities of the market, legal requirements, and negotiation strategies. Now you might be thinking, I can do the research, marketing, and negotiation strategies and know about the legal requirements. Well, in that case, either you're a real estate broker watching this video or you're Neil deGrasse Tyson.
And it allows you to realize that the atoms in your body, the molecules that comprise life, are traceable to stars that manufactured those elements in their crucibles of their core. And
so, even with AI like ChatGPT 4+ or GPT 5+, or whatever number they're up to by the time you watch this video, the process can be overwhelming for individuals to handle on their own. Unless, of course, you're a certified genius with a lot of time on your hands. Real estate agents have years of experience, a vast network of contacts, and the ability to analyze the market to help you sell your home. Sure, ChatGPT might save you some money on agency fees, but is it worth the risk of trying to sell your home on your own? When for sale, by owners statistically receive on average 15 to 32% less than the asking price. The process of selling a home can be time-consuming and challenging. While AI technology might seem appealing, real estate agents bring valuable assets to the table, helping you manage the process from start to finish smoothly. So, folks, the verdict is in. While AI technology like ChatGPT might be making strides in the real estate industry, it's not quite ready to replace the expertise of real estate agents. Are you in the market for a new home in Apex, North Carolina, Cary, North Carolina, Wake Forest, or the Triangle, North Carolina area? Look no further than the Paramount Real Estate Group, Real Estate Rank IQ, and Caffeinated Real Estate. They can help you navigate the complex home buying process and find the perfect home to suit your needs. As for homeowners looking to sell, check out the link below to our AI-powered Raleigh and Durham home sellers presentation to see what we have to offer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow YouTubers, and subscribe to never miss out on our latest uploads. Up next, what the F are Whole Food homes? The whole truth. Why living next to a Whole Foods can boost your home's value by a whopping percentage. Find out.